All right, another week. Looks like the inflation garden's still going strong. Tomatoes, cucumber really turned itself around. It's going crazy. I'm running out of room. These tomatoes, this squash, I don't know what, somebody's claiming this is a zucchini plant. I don't know. But everything's looking good. More squashes back here in here. And we got one pepper plant that's doing well. Time to chop off some more leaves. There you go, another squash. But everything looking good. Hopefully we're going to get to harvest some of this stuff soon. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you next week.